Hey there, friends! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into something that can completely transform your life, building a healthy, sustainable routine. If you've been struggling with sticking to healthy habits or you just want to optimize your day-to-day life, this video is for you. Whether you're a beginner or you've tried routines before, there's something here for everyone. So grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's get started. Why healthy routines matter 15 minutes. Understanding healthy routines. First, let's break it down. What exactly is a healthy routine? It's not just about working out or eating clean. It's about building habits that make your day more productive and your life more balanced. Why a healthy routine is key. Think of it like laying down the foundation for a house. A routine is your blueprint to a balanced and successful life. It creates structure, and structure leads to better mental, physical, and emotional well-being. The science behind it. The cool thing about routines is that the more we repeat them, the easier it gets. Your brain loves habits because they reduce decision fatigue and help you stay focused. Ever notice that when you have a plan, things just seem to fall into place? That's the science at work. The core elements of a healthy routine sleep. Okay, let's start with sleep. Did you know that sleep is the most important aspect of a healthy routine? Without quality sleep, nothing else matters. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night and make your bedroom a haven of peace. Nutrition. Eating well is also crucial. Your body needs fuel, so why not give it the best possible? Make sure you're getting a balanced diet. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. A healthy breakfast is essential to kickstart your day. Exercise. Movement is medicine. Whether it's stretching, yoga, or a quick 15-minute workout, find something you enjoy and get moving. You'll feel more energized, and it's great for both your physical and mental health. Mental health. Last but definitely not least, take care of your mind. Simple activities like journaling, meditation, or just taking a deep breath can make a massive difference in how you handle stress and emotions. How to create your personalized healthy routine. 45 minutes. Self-assessment. Before jumping into a new routine, let's take a moment for self-reflection. What are you currently doing, and where could you use a little extra TLC? Think about your goals and your challenges. Setting goals. You can't build a strong routine without clear goals. Set yourself up for success by making goals that are realistic and achievable. Use the SMART method. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Time blocking and scheduling. Once your goals are clear, it's time to plan. Time blocking is a game changer. Whether you use an app, a physical planner, or just sticky notes, organize your day into sections that work for you. Morning routine. Why morning routines matter? Your morning sets the tone for the whole day. Imagine waking up with a sense of purpose instead of feeling rushed or stressed. Creating your morning routine. Start with hydration. Drink a glass of water right after waking up. Then move your body with some light stretching or a quick workout to get your energy flowing. Example. Morning routine. Let me give you an example. 5 a.m. Wake up, hydrate, meditate. 5:30 a.m. Stretch or do a 20-minute workout. 6 a.m. Healthy breakfast. 6:30 a.m. Review your goals for the day. Overcoming morning struggles. Getting up early is tough, but you can do it. Try setting a consistent bedtime and prepare the night before. Trust me, you'll feel so much better once you start your day on the right foot. Afternoon routine. Why the afternoon is crucial. You've had your productive morning, but how do you maintain that energy and focus in the afternoon? Let's talk about that. Structure your afternoon. Remember, breaks are your best friend. Take a quick 5 to 10-minute walk or do some stretches to reset your mind. Example. Afternoon routine. Here's a quick breakdown. 12 p.m. Eat a balanced lunch. Lean protein, veggies, and whole grains. 1 p.m. Take a break. 10-minute walk or breathing exercise. 2 p.m. Get back to work using the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes of focus, 5 minutes of break. All right, friends. Now that you've got a solid idea of how to build a healthy routine, the next step is to start implementing it. It's all about consistency and making small adjustments along the way. Start today, even if it's just a small step. If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear from you. What routine are you most excited to start? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. I've got tons of awesome content coming your way to help you level up your life. Hit that notification bell, and let's build this healthy routine together. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and keep growing.